Hey guys, my name is Oskar Michelsen. I'm a class of 2020 MSM grad, originally from Helsinki, Finland. And my experience as an international student at Wake Forest was really supported by the Wake Forest community, especially in the School of Business. I really enjoyed all the cultural events that were organized to celebrate international communities' backgrounds. Also, the faculty who were really supportive and flexible around people's cultural holidays and things like that. In terms of academics, I really enjoyed connecting the cases we were going over in classes to people's home countries. Oftentimes, we highlighted the international success of a lot of the companies, and I feel like the academics really prepared me for the job market, whether it was in the U.S. or internationally. And the last but not least, the market readiness team really prepares international students for success after Wake Forest. International students don't often get the same opportunities in the job market as American students get. So the MRE team actually highlighted the importance of networking as well as the interview experience. So when you actually land that job interview in a dream company, they made sure that you were ready to tackle on that interview and highlight the differences that you might have from American candidates and make that a strength, not a weakness.